Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I bet you didn't know that your smartphone can be a powerful tool for ethical hacking. The world of hacking often evokes images of shadowy figures huddled over computers, their fingers dancing across keyboards as they breach impenetrable digital fortresses. While this image might hold true for some, the reality is that hacking has become far more accessible, even from the palm of your hand. Yes, your smartphone, that ubiquitous device we use for everything from ordering takeout to video calls, can be transformed into a powerful tool for ethical hacking. But before we delve into the how-tos, it's crucial to understand the why. Why would anyone want to hack with a phone? The answer lies in the very nature of our increasingly interconnected world. As we rely more and more on digital devices and networks, understanding their vulnerabilities becomes paramount. Ethical hacking allows us to probe these vulnerabilities, identify weaknesses, and ultimately make our digital lives more secure. Think of it like this: a security system is only as good as its weakest point. Ethical hackers act as digital locksmiths, testing the locks, finding the flaws, and providing the blueprints for stronger, more resilient systems. You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding the true nature of hacking. The term hacking often brings to mind negative images of cybercriminals stealing data and causing chaos online. While this dark side of hacking certainly exists, it's essential to distinguish it from the world of ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking. Ethical hackers are the guardians of the digital realm. They operate with a strict moral compass, using their skills to fortify systems, not exploit them. Their work is crucial in identifying and mitigating security risks before malicious actors can exploit them. Think of them as digital superheroes, using their powers for good to protect individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. Ethical hacking is not about breaking the law or infringing on anyone's privacy. It's about understanding how systems work, uncovering potential vulnerabilities, and working to make the digital world a safer place for everyone. You need to hear this if you're an aspiring ethical hacker. Just as a carpenter needs their trusty hammer and saw, an ethical hacker needs the right tools for the job. Fortunately, the world of ethical hacking is brimming with powerful, freely available tools and resources that can be easily accessed and utilized from your smartphone. One such indispensable tool is Kali Linux Nethunter, a mobile penetration testing platform that transforms your Android device into a veritable hacking powerhouse. With Nethunter, you gain access to a vast array of tools for network scanning, packet sniffing, vulnerability analysis, and much more. In addition to specialized operating systems like Nethunter, numerous apps cater specifically to ethical hacking and security testing. These apps, available on both Android and iOS platforms, provide a user-friendly interface for performing various hacking tasks, from network analysis to password cracking. This is why you need to know about a hacker's toolkit. While specialized operating systems and dedicated hacking apps are valuable assets, it's important to remember that your phone itself is already equipped with a surprising array of tools that can be utilized for ethical hacking. Your phone's built-in web browser, for instance, can be used to access a wealth of online resources, including vulnerability databases, exploit repositories, and even online hacking tutorials. Similarly, your phone's camera can be used for more than just selfies. It can be a valuable tool for physical security assessments, allowing you to document security flaws and potential entry points. Even seemingly mundane features like your phone's calculator app can be surprisingly versatile. Did you know that many calculator apps can be switched to programmer mode, providing you with tools for converting between decimal, hexadecimal, and binary code, essential skills for any aspiring hacker? Are you curious to learn the basics of phone hacking step by step? Section 5. Understanding network traffic. The basics. At its core, hacking is all about understanding how systems communicate with each other. And in our interconnected world, this communication largely happens over networks, with data packets zipping back and forth like digital envelopes. To become an effective ethical hacker, you need to develop a basic understanding of network traffic, what it is, how it works, and how to intercept and analyze it. Imagine a busy highway with cars representing data packets. Each car has a destination and they follow specific rules and routes to get there. Network traffic analysis is like observing this highway, identifying the types of cars, their destinations, and any unusual activity that might be taking place. This is where tools like packet sniffers come into play. These handy utilities, available as standalone apps or integrated into platforms like Kali Nethunter, allow you to listen in on network traffic, capturing data packets as they pass by. By analyzing this captured data, you can glean insights into how devices communicate, identify potential vulnerabilities, and even uncover hidden information. What I wish I knew at the start of my hacking journey, instead of later, intercepting data on a public Wi-Fi. With a basic understanding of network traffic analysis and the right tools at your disposal, you're ready to embark on your first ethical hacking adventure. A great starting point for beginners is intercepting data on a public Wi-Fi network. Now, before you raise an eyebrow, remember we're doing this ethically, with the goal of understanding vulnerabilities, not exploiting them. Public Wi-Fi networks are notorious for their lax security. Unlike your home or office network, which are usually password protected, public Wi-Fi networks are often open or use weak, easily guessable passwords. This makes them prime targets for attackers who can easily intercept data transmitted over the network. Using a packet sniffing tool on your phone, you can capture data packets being transmitted over the public Wi-Fi network. This might include unencrypted login credentials, sensitive personal information, or even entire website contents. By analyzing this captured data, you can gain a first-hand understanding of the risks associated with using unsecured networks. I don't think people understand how to decode and understand captured data like a pro. Capturing data packets is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in making sense of the captured information. Raw network traffic can seem like a jumbled mess of ones and zeros, but with the right tools and techniques, you can extract valuable insights and uncover potential vulnerabilities. One of the first things you'll want to do is filter the captured data. Packet sniffing tools allow you to filter traffic based on various criteria, such as protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and so on, source and destination IP addresses, and even specific keywords. This helps you narrow down your search and focus on the most relevant information. Once you've filtered the data, you can start analyzing the contents of individual packets. This might involve examining HTTP headers for sensitive information, looking for login credentials transmitted in plain text, or even piecing together website content from captured data. The key is to approach the analysis systematically, looking for patterns, anomalies, and anything that might indicate a security vulnerability. This is why you need to understand privacy, respect, and responsibility in hacking. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking, it's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. The tools and techniques you're learning can be used for both good and malicious purposes, and it's your ethical obligation to use them responsibly. Always obtain explicit permission before attempting to access or test the security of any system or network that doesn't belong to you. Unauthorized access, even with good intentions, can have serious legal and ethical ramifications. Respect the privacy of others. Just because you can access certain information doesn't mean you should. Avoid accessing or sharing any personal or sensitive data that you come across during your ethical hacking endeavors. Finally, remember that your goal as an ethical hacker is to make the digital world a safer place. If you discover a vulnerability, report it responsibly to the appropriate parties so that it can be fixed and users can be protected. You need to watch this if you struggle with taking your hacking skills to the next level. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the exciting world of ethical hacking. The skills you've learned here are just the tip of the iceberg. As you continue your journey, you'll discover a vast and ever-evolving landscape of tools, techniques, and challenges. From web application security to mobile penetration testing, from cryptography to social engineering, the possibilities for specialization within ethical hacking are endless. There are countless online resources, courses, and certifications available to help you deepen your knowledge and hone your skills. Consider joining online communities and forums dedicated to ethical hacking. These platforms provide invaluable opportunities to connect with fellow enthusiasts, share knowledge, and learn from experienced professionals. I bet you didn't know how crucial ethical hacking is for our digital safety. In an increasingly interconnected world, ethical hacking is no longer a niche pursuit, but a vital skill set for anyone concerned about digital security. By understanding how systems can be exploited, ethical hackers play a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities, strengthening defenses, and ultimately, making our digital lives safer. Remember, ethical hacking is not about breaking the law or infringing on anyone's privacy. It's about using your knowledge and skills responsibly to make the digital world a more secure and trustworthy place. So, embrace your inner ethical hacker, continue learning, and join the ranks of those dedicated to building a safer and more secure digital future for everyone.